A lot of software engineers think they're busy, and to be fair, they are. Stand-ups, pull requests, bugs, meetings, documentation, context switching. By the end of the day, it feels like you worked non-stop. But here's the uncomfortable truth. A lot of software engineers are not losing time because of hard work. They're losing time because they're still doing tasks AI can finish in minutes. And that gap is getting expensive. Take debugging. Most software engineers still hit an error, open 10 browser tabs, search old forums, read outdated answers, and lose 30 minutes, sometimes more. Smart software engineers, they give AI the error, the code, the context, and what changed recently. Now debugging becomes focused, not chaotic. Or pull request reviews. Most software engineers review everything manually, line by line, again and again. But AI can spot code smells, hidden edge cases, naming inconsistencies, possible performance risks in minutes, not hours, or documentation, a task almost everyone delays because writing feels slow, messy, and mentally draining. But AI can turn rough technical notes into clean design docs, meeting summaries, or architecture reviews before your coffee gets cold. And here's the real cost. The software engineers using AI today are not just saving time, they're reinvesting that time into learning, into system design, into leadership, into visibility, and that compounds fast. Because in software engineering, the people who save time usually gain leverage, and the people with leverage usually grow faster. If you're a software engineer, developer, tech lead, founder, or engineering manager, and you want practical AI systems, not hype, subscribe to AI for Builders, because the software engineers learning AI today are building the careers everyone else will chase tomorrow.